This will be a description of the Quickdraw weaving program's basic grid controls. Most obvious function would be a straight line. Where I go down, it's just going to draw a line between there and where I end up. The freehand would be a similar tool, only it's just as I move whatever shape of pattern I want to. The fills would fill an area. If it's already set, it would toggle it. I come over here for a second. If I import a draft, this was the basic tool that I had on the main edit grid. And I can do things like select that area, copy that. Now when I come in with a paste tool, I can actually paste that copied cell. And if I go back and forth, you can see that it flips it up and down, left and right if I move. So it knows the order it copied in. Now if I want to, I can also export that pattern. So I want to export that back to export that draft. That would put that onto the main editor grid, and I can do whatever I want to with it there. And the clear grid functionality would just erase that part of it. I'm going to do a separate video talking about the symmetry controls and the framing controls, specifically a number of different videos talking about the threading and thread substitutions here. But once I have an area selected, let me just kind of grab that chunk, I can rotate it up, down, left, right. I can flip it left and right, flip it up and down. I can also switch the dark and the light cells. That's what the toggle does. Turn it 90 degrees. It has to be a square, but it will turn it, and you keep going to get back where you want it to be. Now those basic functions will work on multiple structures. For example, if I ask for the C structure there, it would actually fill in that area with the C structure. So I can blend some pretty complicated things in the basic controls of the drawing grid.